might think that being head of HR business partnering talent management OD, my job is about hiring and trainings, but it's so much more than that. We don't just build a team, we create an environment where people don't just work, but thrive, and not only thrive, but thrive together. At High Noon, you are not just another employee. You are part of something much bigger, an ecosystem of learning, collaboration, respect, and well-being. We believe success is not just about the work, it's about the lives we enrich. Not only the lives of the customers we work for, but also the incredible people we work with every single day. Surrounded by the people who are as passionate about life as they are about their work, it's absolutely some privilege. It's comforting to see people learn, people collaborate, and people grow and become the true best version of themselves. That's what keeps me going every single day.